And no, the orange is just because it's summertime, okay? If it was autumn, I'd wear like a rust color. That's all it is. Don't get. But people for centuries have been saying, bless you, God bless you, when you sneeze, right? Predictive programming. Even in our blessing somebody, excuse me, because why wouldn't you bless somebody when they cough? I mean, a cough is a lot worse than a sneeze. It just is worse. So from now on, you probably won't. I know. It's okay. Or just say salmon. 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 Bless people when they cough, not just when they sneeze, okay? Bless me.